What is an open circuit? A broken path for current. Question 2. What color wire is commonly used for cooling in thermostats? A. Yellow. Question 3. What color wire is commonly used for heating? A. White. Question 4. What color wire typically controls the fan? A. Green. Question 5. What is the first step before electrical servicing? A. Disconnect power. Question 6. What does a multimeter combine? A voltmeter, ammeter, and ohmmeter. Question 7. What does a clamp meter measure easily? A current.